Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this flat circle, and it can be done with any size hook. I'm just using medium worsted yarn. This is, the flat circle is great for starting hats and coasters and any type of project that you need to start out with that starts out flat. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, to get started on the flat circle, going to slip knot onto your hook. You can start with a chain 4, so yarn over and pull through. So it will be 4 chains to start. You're going to slip stitch in that beginning chain to create your ring. Yarn over and grab that yarn. And then pull through your loop. That will create your ring here. And you can always put this video, if you have a computer, on slow motion. I have a video that I will link down below for slow motion if you need to watch this at a slower speed. And then you're going to chain 3. Yarn over and chain 3. And then in the ring, you're going to work 11 double crochet. The chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the ring. Grab that yarn. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops for a double crochet. Yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. And then you're going to work 10 more double crochet. And then 9 more double. Grab that yarn, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you're going to repeat this until you have 11 double crochet. Okay, so you have your chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So all together you're going to have 12 with your chain 3, and then on top of your chain 3 you're going to slip stitch 1, 2, 3, pull through, and you're going to slip stitch onto that, on top of that chain 3. I'm going to yarn over and pull through, and then pull through again, and then you have your circle here, and then your tail you can pull through to make it a tighter circle. That's how you do this first round. Okay, the next round you're going to chain 3, yarn over and pull through your loop for 3 chains. And then in that same stitch you're going to work a double crochet, insert your hook in that previous stitch. Grab the yarn. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops for your double crochet. Pull through 2 loops. So you have 2, and then in your next double crochet you're going to work 2 double crochet. Insert your hook. Grab the yarn. Pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops, and then double crochet again in that same stitch. So you're going to have 2, 2, and each double crochet will get 2 for a total of 24. Double crochet this round. And this is an increased round because you have 2 double crochet in each stitch. And this is usually the flat circle is usually what you use for a hat, and I do have a video on how to make a hat, which I'll list down below. And I have a video for all sizes of hats. You just have to change the hook size. So you have 2, 2, 2, 2. You're just going to work that around for 2 double crochet in each stitch. So this double gets 2. And then work 2 again. And then in this next double crochet, you're going to insert your hook and work 2 double crochet. And that's the pattern for the flat round for this round, is 2 double crochet in each double crochet. And repeat that all the way around until the very end, and you'll have a total of 24. And I'll meet you back until the end here, and I'll show you how to finish this round. Okay, at the end here, you're going to work 2 double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then you're going to double crochet in that same stitch to end for a total of 24 double crochet. Pull through 2 loops for your second double crochet. So each stitch gets 2 double crochet. Slip stitch on top of that chain 3, pull through, slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 3 for the next round. And then double crochet in that same stitch as your chain 3. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. You have 2 double crochet, your chain 3 counts as 1, and then for this round you're going to double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet, and then in the next double crochet, the previous here, you're going to insert your hook, grab the yarn, and you're going to work 2 double crochet. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So the pattern for the flat circle is another increase. You have 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to have 1 again. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. and then 2 in the next, and that's the pattern for this round for the flat circle. And then 1 more for 2. And then 1 double crochet in the next. And then 2 in the next. And then 1 in the next. And then just repeat that around. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then 2 in the next. And just alternate 2 and then 1 all the way until the end. I'll meet you back on the end. Okay, we're at the end. Because you have 2 here, you're going to need 1 here. And then slip stitch on top of that, chain 3. Yarn over and pull through the loop, and then pull through your other loop. And for the next round, you're going to do a chain 3, counts as your double crochet. And then double crochet in that same stitch. Grab the yarn and then work your double crochet. And then in this next stitch, work 1 double crochet. And then in the next, work 1 double crochet, and you're just increasing it by 1 more, so 2, 1, 1, and then next will be 2. And then in the next 2, you're just going to work 1 and then 1. And then that's the pattern for this round. You're just increasing it by 1 double crochet. So you have 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and then 2. And then you're working 1 and the next 2, and then 1, and then 2 again, and then work that all the way around. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 until you meet me back here at the end. Okay, you're at the end here. You'll have 48 double crochet at the end and 36 on this previous round. So all you need to do is do a double crochet in the next 2, 1 double crochet, and then another for this round. Slip stitch on top of that chain 3. And then for the next round, you'll chain 3, and you just increase by 1 more double crochet if you want to make this bigger. So you can do 1 and then another double crochet here, which will be 2, 1, 1, 1 in the next 3, so 1 double crochet in the 1, 2, 3, 2 in the next, then 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 2. That's if you want to make this flat circle bigger. And this is how you make a flat circle for increased rounds. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.